Butt scratcher.
Butt scratcher.
Butt scratcher. Butt scratcher. Wow. 2 shake and bacons at the same time.
Well, either which way, whenever you guys need.
Shake and bake. Bacon. Bacon!
If you guys want to practice tonight, we can stay here however long you want.
Oh! Oh, that's how it feels.
My vagina.
I don't know. Are you guys driving straight down? Are you guys driving straight down, or are you crashing when we get back and then drive early in the morning?
It's probably inside the house.
Okay, that's what I'm double checking on.
Oh my God, look at it. It's so cute from behind. I never realized it's how cute it is. I look in the mirror.
Does anybody else feel that?
It's actually a military surplus store in the phone, man.
Wait.
Yeah, man. You don't remember fucking Western? You know where McDonald's is, right?
Whoa.
So you guys live near McCall? We're like 45 minutes away from there. You ever go there?
Too soon.
I wanted to.
Too soon.